Yo, what's good everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Tulima Dlamuga. Today we are going to go to the mall. We are going to edit at Starbucks Kalami Corner. So edit and then after editing I'm going to go do my groceries and then like run a few errands. Like angazi any leg ngenze kodwa ikhona yona lento leg ngenze. Ngizokhumbula mase sengisendleleni okanye ngizokhumbula mase sengifikile khona. I-lighting ngithanda ukuhlukayo because endlini bekukhona i-ring lights la ayikho i-ring lights. This is me and the driver on the way to the center. I'm not too sure if it's center, not me corner, since it's Kalami Corner, but yeah. We have arrived. I needed to start at F&B. I needed to get my card. Guys, thing. F&B, they're taking long. And the Kaokola. That means I came here for nothing. There's no Starbucks also, so I just have to request to Mall of Africa. Crazy. This is me going to Burger King because I'm craving their chili cheese roll, and then after that I'm going to go to Starbucks but I understand why la Burger King benganginikeza nje ideal yokuthi ayothuli cela uvela ufike uzodla mahala cause the staff was very happy to see me share. Akasasho nokuthi nje ungakhokhi madlamu. Oh, this is so good. Yo. Can my food arrive already, yo? They said this is the nicest. Which meal is the nicest la? Because I changed my mind about the chili cheese roll. Oh, this looks big. So this is the burger. It comes with fries. Okay, let me pay first. Kuno moya la. Okay. Ngaze ngiqale ngidle ngedwa mina luman nani. Ngaze ngisinyancishana ngiyanazi kanina. It's so windy out here. This is actually so good. This is so good. Ungayitsheli ngaleli fries lele kanti vele ulambile. Thathe fries. I finished my food and went straight to Clicks to get izinto ezincane. Hayibo, izinto ezincane zavele zaba u4,000 Jehovah, and then went to Pep Home to get a few stuff that I needed. And then as you guys can see the flowers, I went to do my groceries and then got myself some flowers just to cheer myself up. You're wrong, Lenta. This is me on my way to my place now. Hey guys, bekumele nje ngifike fast ngi-edit ngicela nihambe lapha ngiyobuka Slay Queen Goes to Emakhaya episode 3 because it's going to be out tomorrow. Also, please don't forget to go subscribe to my main channel. Hi guys, we are back online. So bengimele ngithi ukulinda kancane before ngenze unpack my stuff. So you can't really see the rest of the stuff because there's pants on the floor, but I'm just going to be unpacking and putting Charlie. You take your toy. Well, why would I little toy like camera anyways? Come here. Come here. Hello. Hello. Say hi. Say hi to the people. Say hi to the people. Hi everybody. Say hi everybody. I put this here with the rest of my cereal in there. So this here and this also here. Okay. Well, ngiphe uphuzo ukuze ngizodla mass. Ngagcina ngifetha mass. I got this also. I love my mommy. I only got it because I love my mommy. Yeah, anyways, I love my mommy so much. And then I have plain yogurt. Guys, mina ngikwazi nje mangithenga angikwazi ukuthi plain yogurt isale. Noma kuthiwa khona enye yogurt ekhona. I bought jelly when I moved in, but I've never had loyo jelly loyo before. So ngithenga custard ukuze ngizomesha nalo jelly. Mhlawumbe ngizokudla jelly mase sokukhona custard, jelly and custard type shit. Stop eating that. Hey. Shy out of me. Bese kunamafruta bese ngekho-ke right in my fridge because sometimes I forget ukuthi I have this and this and this and then gcine sekubola. Akanti lolu bisi omncane lolu. Kodwa mongcwele bengiyaphi? Awe. Abafethu kanti lolu bisi lolu ish. Bese mjalo kulithenga ilolu. It's fine. Nazi lezi zinto ezibo 400. Zu-2. Ukuthi angithoki inhlamba njengamanje kodwa-ke angeke ngisho ukuthi siyasidakela. Ngeke ngize ngikusho lokho. You are limited edition, baby. Cause I am. This is going to... Yo, guys. Sengizophuza nge-straw noma isidingo singekho ukuthi ngiphuze nge-straw. I was explaining here ukuthi bengimeleng ngi-add nje ama-glass ambalwa because ave bewabulala. Ngilambile, guys. And I haven't even put amaflower ami. Oh, I forgot about lenyama. How is lenyama still good? Ngena lenyama mina. Thangi. God damn. Just going to wait for this to cool down. Okay. This is the time for me to put my flowers. Vase pillar. Hey! Stop! These bright flowers, I got them for myself, so that okay, this is the symbol which I'm going to have a bright new month. So I got these yellow ones like this. They look so cute. I feel like ngithole ivase encane abengekho amanye amavase besides this one. They smell so fresh also. Honestly, ngizoqhubeka with everything else, the cleaning and unpacking the rest of the things lezi ey'dinga ukuba semakhabethini kusasa. Ngithe nje angiphuthume lokho okudinga ukuthi kube sefrijini fast. Bafethu ngikhathele mina manje. Ngikhathele manje into engizoyenza ngizodla. So manje ngizokwenza lokho nje and then imise ngiyalala ngeke. Oh, kumele ngiqede loku-edit. So that's going to be it, honestly speaking. Inyama ngithenga nga.